Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with a website that is going to help you in making your teaching learning more effective. Some of you may already be familiar with it. It's a great website that allows you to transform your PDF, JPG or PNG files into interactive online exercises with self-correction, which we call interactive worksheets. Let's explore. First, we need to have our worksheet prepared to convert it into an interactive one. Let me show you mine. I'm going to teach a chapter Seeds and Seeds in class 5th. For the assessment purpose, I created this worksheet. Now remember one thing, you should have your worksheet in PDF, JPG or PNG format only. MS Word or Google document files will not work. The next thing to remember is the size of the worksheet should be less than 5 MB. If your PDF is of more than 5 MB, please reduce the size of it. Let me open the file. My first question is a multiple choice question where my students need to click the correct answer out of 3 options. My second question is about matching. Here they need to match. For the third question, I am choosing a drop-down box and they need to find the origin of these vegetables and fruits. The options I will put while working on the website. I do not need to write anything here. The last one is a drag and drop activity. There they need to drag the words which are written above and drop them with the correct answer. The correct means of dispersal with the seed. Now here is tip number 3. You can see I have given enough space between lines and words. That's for a purpose. You will see it later. Remember, always give enough space. Let's go to the website liveworksheets.com. The link is in the description box. You can check it out. Here you need to sign up for this purpose. As you can see here, I already have an account and I saved my password here, so I don't need to log in again and again. Sign up for this website, you'll get your username and password. Here in this website, you can see the option of Make Interactive Worksheets. Click on the option of Get Started. You see, I was working earlier on one of the worksheet which is appearing here. Let me delete it for you. This is the very screen you will see when you click on Get Started. You can see here, I have already prepared 2 worksheets out of 30 worksheets. It is appearing here. You can create only 30 free worksheets with one user ID. Choose File, click on it and select your worksheet and it will appear here. You can see the name of file. Now upload it. See, earlier I told you about the size and the format. See this plus like symbol? It is the text box option that is visible to you here. We need this text box to convert a normal PDF file into an interactive worksheet. Draw the text boxes where the options are. I am drawing them on all the options for question number 1. The area of the text box is the area where the students need to touch for choosing an option. And that's the reason why I told you to give enough space. Here this text box has appeared which is of no use. For deleting it, click on middle of the box. It will be blue and click delete with your keyboard. Give me a second to draw text boxes all over the options in 3 questions. Now we need to tell it which one is correct answer and which one is wrong. Now for the wrong answer, we write select no. And for the correct answer, we write select yes. SELECT and then YES. It will understand correct what we write yes in it. The worksheets will give marks only if the students choose the answer which is set corrected by us. This is the same as we do in the Google Forms. Give me a moment to do this in other questions. Now time for the next question. Question number 2 is of matching. First, draw the text box on all the options. Many times you will face such problem like the text box is too small or too big. Let me help you. You can resize it by clicking on the border of the text box and drag it according to your needs. One more thing, why to draw the text box again and again when we can copy paste? For this, select the text box, go in the middle of the text box and click it. It will turn into blue color, which means it is selected now. Do copy using shortcut key Ctrl plus C and then paste Ctrl plus V. Now you can take it wherever you want. And if you want to delete any text box, select it and click delete by your keyboard. Use shortcut key Ctrl plus Z for doing undo. Fast forward and draw all the text boxes. Let's come back to the question, and for matching the command will be different than above question. We need to write join colon. Now we need to give them numbers like 1, 2, 3 and the same number to their correct match to join. Let me show you. Like this Velcro will go with George Master. It was George Master who discovered Velcro. So join colon 1 in both the boxes to join. Now this goes same with the coffee bean. It came from Africa to India. So join colon 2 in both the boxes, in coffee bean and in Africa. And the others also in the same way. Moving to the third question. Moving to the question number 3. Here I was planning to give drop down. In the box, here I am drawing a text box like earlier. And for the answers, we need to write something. We need to write choose. Then add a colon. Then all the options we want to give. In my case, options are South America, Europe, Africa and India. Put slash after each option. The options are same in every question here, so I'm copying and pasting them. Draw each box and paste the options. Now for every correct option, put the asterisk symbol before the answer. Like this one, cabbage. Cabbage came from Europe. So I am putting asterisk symbol before Europe. Same goes with others. You can write the spelling in either small or capital letters, but automatically it will turn into small letters. The last question is of drag and drop. I want students to drag these words above and drop them below in their respective boxes. For dragging boxes, write drag colon, and all dropping boxes write drop then colon. Give them numbers to make sure they do not mismatch. Like this. This P is dispersed by cracking and bursting. So we need to give the drag and drop options the same number. Same goes with others also, like this animals and birds, giving them the number 2. As you can see in my questions, this coconut and lotus both get dispersed with the water, and I have 2 water options in drag box. It can cause a problem if we give them separate numbers. Like if I give this water and this coconut number 3 and another water and lotus number 4, the students get marks only when they drag and drop this way. First water to the coconut and the second water to the lotus. But as we all know, this water can be dropped in either of the lotus and coconut. Same goes with the another one. That is why for avoiding this case, we need to give all four of them the same number. The thing is, when students drag either of the water, no matter in which box, lotus or coconut they drop it, they will be right and given marks. Same goes with the wind. Okay, finally we did it. It is the time to preview it. Solve this worksheet and check your answers. See, this green color is showing the answer given is correct, and this red here, it is happening because the answer given is wrong. Check the score. You can see I got 10 out of 10, but one question was wrong there. It is because the score is always calculated out of 10. For example, if there are 20 questions and you get 10 right answers, your score will be 5 out of 10, 50%, right? So in these worksheets, your score will be calculated out of 10 only. If everything is alright, then save it. Otherwise, edit it by clicking this option. After the preview, there is the option of save. Discard option is for rejecting the changes we made here in the worksheet. And this update background document is for selecting another file. Do not click them if you do not want to lose the hard work you did on this file. So I'm going to save it. Now choose the way you want to share your worksheet. Make it public if it is your own. It will be good for others also. The students and teachers worldwide can use it. Or you can make it private if you want to keep it to yourself and your students only. Either way, you will see after this screen, you will see this screen. There you need to fill the information like title, language, subject, grade, main content, other content, age, description, PDF download. PDF download, if you want to share the PDF file to others, they can download this interactive worksheets in PDF format and use it in their classes. Allow embedding to websites, classrooms or others. I am filling this information here. Now after this, you will get a link to share the worksheet. Share it through your classroom, Google Classroom, WhatsApp or Telegram group, wherever you want. Students can go to the worksheet and can solve this through this link. Open worksheet to show how your worksheets appear to others. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Comment down below and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.